Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and you all are in good health during this tough situation. Today I'll prepare a very traditional recipe. It is a traditional fish curry that we prepared with a very special fruit called Thekera. The scientific name of the Thekera is Garcinia pedunculata. Oh, it's really tough for me to pronounce. But this fruit you can find only in the northeast part of India like Arunachal Pradesh or Assam. So when I was preparing this recipe, I found out a lot of health benefits about this fruit. So I thought of like sharing some of it with you guys. I found out that this fruit is a like natural fat burner and it is used in the fat burning medicines. Also, it is rich in antioxidants and also it is good for digestion. So it kind of has a lot of health benefits. If you want to know the health benefits of this fruit, you can click on the link. We usually prepare this curry with rice powder and mustard seeds. So let's see how I prepare this traditional dish. I hope you guys will like it and also enjoy it. Thank you. Let's take a look at the ingredients. We need to prepare this special fish curry. Of course, we need fish. Today I have taken about 500 grams of fish. Then mustard seeds, about 1 teaspoon. It is a very important ingredients for this recipe. Then Thekera or Garnish pedunculata, about 6 to 7 pieces. Chillies, both dry and fresh. You can avoid this if you don't want it to be spicy. Then rice powder about 2 tablespoons, red chilli powder about half teaspoon, salt as per taste and sugar also as per taste. We'll start with marinating the fish. For that, add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, salt as per taste and a bit of red chilli powder. Mix it well and rest it for like 10 to 15 minutes. Now we will fry the fish. For that, heat up a pan, add about 6 to 8 tablespoons of oil. Again, it completely depends on the quantity of the fish. Then once the oil is hot, add the fish and fry it until it is golden brown. As you can see, it is almost done. I like it a bit more fried, but you can fry as much as you want. But try not to overdo it. Now add some boiled water to the thekera and let it rest for 5 minutes. Also add some cold water to the rice powder and mix it well. Now heat up a pot, add about 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is hot, add the dry chilies and the mustard seeds and cover it and let it cook for like 30 seconds once all the seeds finished popping. Now add the soaked thekera along with the water and let it boil for like 2 to 4 minutes. Now add the rice powder along with the water. Also add the fresh chilies. You can avoid it if you don't want it to be that spicy. Now add about half a teaspoon of chili powder, which will give the gravy a reddish color. Then add salt as per your taste and a pinch of sugar to balance the taste. Now add about 1.5 cup of water. Cover it and let it boil for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, add the fried fish and let it boil for another 5 minutes. And our fish curry is ready. Now transfer it into a serving bowl and garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Enjoy it with some hot boiled rice. I hope you guys liked the recipe, and also if you want me to prepare more traditional recipes, please comment below, and please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notification about my new videos. Thank you. Bye bye.